Surprising natural home remedies for feeding and nutrition tips you won't believe. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to HerbeeLife, Health and Wellness. Today, we are diving into some natural home remedies and tips for feeding and nutrition for your little ones. Whether you are breastfeeding, formula feeding, introducing solids, or dealing with picky eaters, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Breastfeeding can be a wonderful experience, but it can also come with challenges. Here are a few natural remedies to support breastfeeding moms. Fenugreek seeds can help increase milk supply. Simply steep the seeds in hot water to make a soothing tea. Oatmeal. Eating a bowl of oatmeal daily is believed to boost milk production due to its high iron content. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial for milk production. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Formula feeding is a great alternative to breastfeeding. Here are some tips to ensure your baby gets the best nutrition from formula. Choosing the right formula. Look for a formula that is fortified with iron and DHA to support brain development. Proper mixing. Always follow the instructions on the formula package to ensure proper mixing and nutrient balance. Sterilizing equipment. Keep feeding bottles and nipples sterilized to prevent any infections. Introducing solids is an exciting milestone. Here are some natural foods that are perfect for your baby's first foods. Mashed avocado. Rich in healthy fats and easy to digest, avocado is a great first food. Sweet potato puree. Packed with vitamins and minerals, sweet potatoes are nutritious and delicious. Banana mash. Bananas are naturally sweet and provide a good source of potassium. Dealing with picky eaters can be challenging, but here are some tips to make mealtime more enjoyable. Make food fun. Create fun shapes and colorful plates to make food more appealing. Involve your child. Let your child help with meal preparation to increase their interest in trying new foods. Be patient. It can take multiple exposures to a new food before a child accepts it. Keep offering a variety of healthy options. I've found some amazing products on Amazon.com that can help you on your feeding and nutrition journey. Check the video description for links to these products. Breastfeeding pillow. Organic fenugreek tea. Baby bottle sterilizer. Baby food maker. Silicone baby bibs. BPA-free baby bottles. Reusable baby food pouches. Soft tip infant spoons. I've added the product links in the video description, so be sure to check them out. Remember, these tips and remedies are here to support your wellness journey, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to HerbeeLife, Health and Wellness, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.